Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here I am back with another video related to Magnite. So like I told you guys, pretty soon my car was due for a first checkup. So that is today, and so I'm headed my way to the service center Nissan at Nagol, Hyderabad. So yesterday I called up the service manager, I guess. So they assign you a service manager and a sales agent. They give you a name when they hand over the documents at the time of delivery in one of the booklets. So I called up yesterday and confirmed whether if I can get it for the first service checkup, because it was not exactly too much, but yeah. So they said yes, you all can come and get it checked. And one more thing I told ahead before itself to them, or the guy whom I spoke with, is so I told them that there is some kind of sound I'm hearing, especially when when I'm pressing the clutch, accelerator or brake. So it's not like constant. It's not like constant. Sometimes it comes with the clutch or sometimes with the brake. So this is something I was able to analyze after driving it for a number of kilometers. Like right now the odo is clocked at 1289. So in my last drive, that is what me and my wife, when we were driving, we observed that. So I told them that there is kind of noise. So is it normal? So the guy said it shouldn't be usually, but let's check it. So first, if you can get it over to the service center, we can check and let you know. So I hope it's not something major, guys. So I'm just gonna see. Let them diagnose the issue. Initially, when I took it out of the service showroom, I didn't get that sound. But as I was driving, there were a lot of in the city, a lot of potholes, and also I don't know, something must have triggered that. Let's see, and I'll keep you guys updated on that straight away to open. But I'm not gonna take the flyover because my showroom is down. I'm gonna take this left. We're gonna go straight. We are at Nagol now. We have Magnite showroom as well. And here on the right side, if I don't know if you all can see that, but here on the right side is where the showroom of Nissan is. I'm gonna have to take a U-turn from the front. So the showroom is in the front and on the road, and the service is at the back. Here I think you all can see the showroom right ahead on my left. I'm not sure which side to take the car. Maybe I'll take it straight away to the back. So hi guys, so I'm here at the service center. I just handed over my vehicle. I gave my complaints where my car is. So I told them that there's some kind of noise coming, especially when I'm pressing the clutch, gear and accelerator. This is my car over here. waiting to be taken inside, and this is the service center backside. So let's see guys what the issue is, and we have a good number of Magnites today. This is how it is inside. Good number of vehicles. So guys, they started our service of my vehicle, and we detected the issue for the noise, and I'll let you know at the end of the video. So there's one piece under the body, I think stone hit and it's touching the side, so that's where the noise is coming. वो लूज होके आवाज आ रहा था, साइलेंसर टच हो रहा था. So they're working on our battery air filter guys. So many vehicles are there. So guys, vehicle service is done. This is my vehicle. I think they are vacuuming. There's a lot of dog hair in the boot. So guys, here my vehicle first checkup service is done. We are waiting for the number plate and it's not coming yet. They say they have it, but they are delaying a bit. Looks neat and clean.